What could be the cause of the refrigerator not cooling while the freezer is working fine?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we will tackle a common refrigerator problem. Your fridge is not cooling while the freezer seems to be working just fine. This can be quite a nuisance, especially if you have perishable food items at stake. Understanding the possible causes of this issue can help you resolve it and avoid food spoilage.
What causes this issue?
Before we dive into specific solutions, let's discuss some common reasons why this might be happening. A working freezer but a warm refrigerator often indicates a problem with airflow. In most refrigerators, the cooling system is located in the freezer section. Then, the refrigerator part stays cool by circulating cold air from the freezer. So, if something is blocking the airflow, that might be your problem.
What are the possible culprits?
1. Faulty evaporator fan. The evaporator fan is responsible for pushing the cold air from the freezer into the refrigerator. If it's not working correctly, your refrigerator won't get the cold air it needs. 2. Damaged or blocked air ducts. If your fridge and freezer share air ducts and they become blocked with ice or food debris, this can prevent the cold air from reaching your fridge. 3. Inadequate temperature settings. Sometimes, the issue could be as simple as incorrect temperature settings. If the refrigerator's temperature is set too high, it may not cool efficiently.
How can you fix it?
1. Check the evaporator fan. You'll have to inspect the evaporator fan. If it's not running or making strange noises, you may need to replace it. 2. Check the air ducts. You should defrost your freezer if you suspect blocked air ducts. This process involves unplugging the fridge and allowing it to defrost over 24 hours. 3. Correct temperature settings. Lastly, make sure your fridge's temperature setting is around 37 degrees Fahrenheit, or 3 degrees Celsius, which is the optimal temperature for most refrigerators. Remember, if you're not comfortable performing these checks yourself or if these solutions don't solve the problem, you should call a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to electrical appliances. We hope you found this video helpful, and that your fridge will be back to its cool self in no time. Stay tuned for more helpful appliance troubleshooting tips.